Hey everybody, it's Sonjdradeluxe and today is a super exciting day. We're gonna be taking a look at the WU TANG and Milk makeup collaboration. They are lipsticks. So basically, screamed out loud when I got these in the mail. This is like my two passions coming together and making a baby, WU TANG and makeup. So this is super exciting for me because I've been like a really long time WU TANG fan. I've had WU TANG birthday cakes. I've seen them in concert 3 times, well, as a group. Everybody else was mosh pitting and I'm crying like 13-year-old for Justin Bieber. So obviously I was freaking out. If you saw me on Snapchat or IG stories, I was screaming embarrassingly loud while looking at the colors. Oh my god! I haven't swatched or tried any on because I wanted to save it for this video because it deserves that. This is different than anything I've ever seen from Milk makeup. Like, the packaging is heavy, it feels really luxe. So this is available only on the Milk makeup website. I think it's a super cool collaboration because it's a New York makeup company. WU TANG is a legendary culture movement from New York City. I'm just like super excited. I'm like almost lost for words a little bit. So it's vegan, cruelty-free, talc-free, gluten-free, paraben-free. One lipstick retails for $55 US. And I think if you want to buy the whole set, it's $4.50 US. But if you're a huge WU TANG fan and you like to collect their collabs, then I mean, I personally think that makes sense because it's a very legendary collab and the packaging is a lot different than their other products. I'm excited to see what it looks like on the lips, but just having this, like, I'm gonna keep this forever. This is stunning. So on the website it says enlightened ingredients. Never had enlightened lipstick before, but today's the day. Antioxidant rich sacred lotus water, cherry blossom, and ginseng combine as a shield to help protect against free radicals and fuel the life energy of the WU warrior. Ta-da! Match your cheek. Coat your lips in high shine dimensional glitter or nourishing matte armor to set your intention for the day. Hell yeah, I love that. Go the distance. One swipe unleashes long wear payoff to power you through life. Oh, beautiful. They did this like dope campaign and I'm just really excited. So I'm gonna do some swatching and then I'm gonna tell you about how I feel about the lipstick and do a little review afterwards. So stay tuned. Okay, so those are all the swatches of the lipsticks. The lipstick feels really amazing and it has anti-aging ingredients in it. It smells like very, like a small touch of like a herbal smell and I actually really like it. Anti-aging is dope because WU TANG is forever and so are the fans. Might as well look cute if we're gonna be here forever. I feel like even though it is an amazing lipstick, I feel the excitement of it comes from having a WU TANG lipstick. I wish there were more colors, of course, because I'm trying to be greedy with it. If you're a WU TANG fan, you might be like me and like it might pain you to use it. I didn't even want to use these because I wanted to keep it forever, but I'm still gonna keep it forever, obviously. Might as well use it because makeup expires. Acknowledging makeup wearing WU TANG fans, we got something just for us. If you're not familiar with their music, like, just do yourself a favor and go listen. Their concerts are amazing. I've lost my shoes at one of the concerts. I've driven very far to see them. I've been a huge fan of them for a really long time, so it makes me just really over the moon excited to see this collab take place. I think it's genius. I feel like makeup's heading in a really cool direction just because this is something that hasn't been done. I think the packaging is beautiful. Apparently this was hand carved and then I guess they made a mold of it and that's what keeps the lipstick together. They just feel luxury and they feel special. I feel special wearing it and that's what we want our makeup to do for us, right? So I want to keep it like this. seeing stuff like this happen with not your typical beauty collaborations, but having it be more of an expression or extension of yourself, I think is super cool. I've always been like the Wu Tang loving glam girl, and it's just really cool for it to be brought into a collection. This is like a total dream come true, TBH. I'm excited to see what's next. I hope they do more with them. So please support so we can see some more things, you know? So that completes the video. I love the lipsticks. I am biased, I have to say, because I do love Milk makeup and I am obsessed with Wu Tang. So obviously it's gonna get an A+ from me. But on a side note, let's say I never heard of them, which would be blasphemy. I think the lipsticks felt really good, and I actually like the different textures they have. They have some that are matte, but mostly they're kind of a little bit of a sheen like this, or those beautiful glitter kind of colors. I think it's a really fun thing, whether you're a makeup collector or a Wu Tang collab collector. It's something fun to have in the collection, and it's badass. Real talk though, we're not getting it because it's a cool colors or whatever. We're getting it because it's Wu Tang. I am anyways. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, follow, love yourself, love Wu Tang. Wu Tang is forever, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.